Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel an Apple Pay transaction. You can cancel an Apple Pay payment only if the recipient has not accepted it. If they already accepted, you'll need to work with them directly or contact Apple for disputes. Firstly, go to the thread in the Messages app and tap on the Apple Pay payment you sent. Tap Cancel Payment and the payment status will update to Cancelled in the thread. If you can't find the message, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap Wallet in Apple Pay. Tap Apple Cash, then go to the Transaction tab. Find and tap the payment and tap to cancel it. Just important that if the recipient has Auto Accept enabled, the money goes through instantly and cannot be cancelled. And for disputes, contact Apple support directly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.